If you want to know how to make image clickable on Squarespace, you've come to the right place. So the steps are quite simple, but make sure to watch this video till the very end so you won't make any mistakes. And firstly, we need to open our website dashboard, and here click on edit to open our editor. After that, we need to add the necessary image. For example, let's say that I want to add something here. I can click on add and I'm going to add image. After that, we need to change some options here. So firstly, of course, we can open it as an image. Like I'm going to upload it from our library from free images like this. And in order to make it clickable, we just simply need to add a link right up here. As you can see, we have the option to add a link on image, and after that we need to add our link here. After that, our image will become clickable. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye guys.